Right, had to waterproof my jacket. Not the most expensive jacket in the world, but it's a jacket. But at the minute it's lost its luster and it's letting in water. So, hey presto. I bought this Muc-Off Fabric Protect. As you can see, it's safe in all fabrics, leathers and suede. They use an invisible barrier. Right, I did use other stuff. I used it on my boots, and Lord and behold, it turned it white, so I had to polish them black. But they do seem to work, that's for sure. So I had a couple of tins of this, sorry about the shaky camera. I've stuck my jacket, it was the first chance I've actually had to do it. It says spray it in a couple of second bursts on the areas that you want to protect. So here goes. So it's supposed to be as easy as this. There's a bit of a smell, so make sure it's in a well vented place or area. It actually smells a bit like, you know, when you're spraying a car. It's exactly what it smells like. So trying to cover all areas, considering it's mostly front facing. And it says up to three coats. Might as well do it along the zip as well. It's hard to spray and try to record at the same time. Obviously you get wet in the arms more than anything. So the bits that I can't get because I'm recording with one hand, and I mean you can see a bit of a sheen of that. So there must be something that sticks to the clothing. The good thing about it is it's not turning white. So it'd be good to see whether it does or doesn't waterproof it. My doggies. So it says to leave it for about 30 minutes, so that's exactly what I'll do. So that's jacket sprayed. I had to put it on my trolley stand, so I button it up. But it lets me get at the areas. Obviously I'm going to stop recording and do around the armpits and close to the neck of the jacket, and hopefully we'll see how it goes. Well, to be honest, there's plenty in this here now. Or that's the second coat that's on. Still feels like there's about roughly where my thumb is, so full tin should waterproof. Depends on how much you're going to put on, I suppose. But you'll have ample to waterproof whatever you're waterproofing. So I'll put the other coat on and then see what it takes 24 hours to dry. But this is the Muc-Off Fabric Protect. We'll see how it fares. I'll do a quick wee video in a couple of days once it's all totally dry to see how it works. Okay, I have done my jacket with Muc-Off fabric protect. So I'm going to do my trousers now. There's a bit of a breeze, so I don't know if that's going to make all the difference. So that's the end of that tin. Time for the second tin. Okay, on to the second tin of the Muc-Off Fabric Protect. And this is the first coat, so I'm not going to do all the coats and film them. I'm just going to you can see it going on, and it's like it's being absorbed into the material. Hell of a smell. Now, I'm not going to do the back of them. I'll let that dry. Just gonna, it says keep it in a well ventilated area. So I'm just going to leave it in the garage. You can see it going on and just drying in, so unless it's forming a bond. I know my jacket will cover this part, but sure. So I think that looks like it's well covered. So, what's there? Powerful smell. Let's see. I'll do a couple of coats and do the back as well. So, and then I'll try for waterproofing in a few days.